Need to learn about affiliate marketing? Watch this video. Are you searching for a way to make some extra money part-time? If so, affiliate marketing might be for you. You can make good money all from the comfort of your own home. To guide you through how to build a successful affiliate site, this video contains many useful tips that can help you. If one affiliate program is not going well for you, then maybe you should try finding another affiliate program that fits your needs better. Not all affiliate programs work the right way. You should check out your favorite vendors to see if they have an affiliate program that you can try out. Read all contracts prior to signing anything. Pay special attention to any exclusivity clauses that may be hiding in there somewhere. It could keep you from selling any other products from any other affiliate programs. This could really limit you to only the things that this affiliate program offers and cap the amount of money you can earn. Beginning your affiliate marketing career with pay-per-click (PPC) programs is a wise move. By investing only in keyword bidding at PPC search engines and selecting your partner merchants carefully, you can build up a modest income without laying out much upfront investment. Then you can use PPC profits to pay for setting up a website. It is important to always disclose your affiliates right from the start. This will give your readers a sense of who you are and what you are about. They will also not feel surprised or manipulated when they see the advertisements from those campaigns, and you may end up bringing more business to those companies. If you follow the guides in this video persistently and manage your sites so that they are attractive to traffic and your audience, then you should have no problem making a profit from this program. Remember, you will only make a successful site if you put in the time and effort to make it stand out in the online market. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.